This is Bob at Don Johnson Motors here in Rice Lake, Wisconsin. I want to show you one of the vehicles we've added to our used car inventory. And what we're looking at is a 2016 Chrysler Town & Country minivan, one of the best selling minivans on the market today. As you can see, it's very well equipped. I have the high output fog lamps down there below. As you can also see, I have aluminum wheels all the way around, and it does have the power sliding doors on both sides of the vehicle. Taking a look on the inside, I do have the 4 captain's chairs seating configuration and with the classic Chrysler Stow and Go seating option. Coming around to the back side of the vehicle, I'm going to have the power liftgate there, and behind that is going to be my rear seat, which again is Stow and Go, so I can lay down all those seats and have a ton of storage area, or I can have some of them up, some of them down for passenger, cargo configurations, whatever it is I may happen to need. Coming up, taking a look at the inside of the driver's area here, you can see it does have the heat, the leather seating in it, and it does have automatic headlights as well. In the center there is going to be my AM/FM stereo CD player. It's also going to be my connection for the Bluetooth on my phone, as well as my climate control down below, which is dual climate control for both the driver and the passenger. And then I have a pair of 12-volt outlets down at the bottom there. So if you'd like to take a little bit closer look at this or some of the other vans we have on our inventory, give me a call. My name's Bob, and you can reach me directly at 715-475-1415. Thanks.